Do you understand it? So, but he will come out. Oh, men on ground to get buy your favor. Because a friend, enemy to my enemy is my friend. Does that make sense? Enemy to my enemy is my friend. Okay, your WhatsApp phone number is not yet on. No, there's one I pin here. I pin check chat here. It is on. This WhatsApp, are you saying that this WhatsApp is not on? This +44 UK number here. It should be on, my brother. It is on. Or or maybe I think you are calling the other line. The other line is I'm using the phone to stream. So I just provide this one for in case anytime I want to, if a data phone is not available, I will use this one to answer call. So the number is on. You can call it now. You can call it now. This +44 is on. You can call it. So let's hear, because both of them are.
Now, information came out. Ngozi Arabese is collecting data of people. Ask yourself, what is she using data to do? What is she using people's location?
This is pure lie. There's nobody is collecting data. Like I said, they said media. Nobody is collecting data. I'm yet to see that. If they're collecting data, of course, it's not something they will hide, right? Nobody's collecting data. I don't think, but what do I know? Let's continue anyway.
Anybody your address, information about you. Before to badge, second badge, I am very careful. Don't give anybody your address. Don't give anybody address. On Saturday, come to the fundraising. One of minister or one of president or governor. Where's the number and the phone? Where's the man? You're gonna get on Sunday. Kind of one of them going it. Imagine a general or to catch the call up with also demand get back on the phone. Now fundraising way too easy. If not, when you never go and appear. Because now when you make it as a
this woman, I swear, this woman is something else. She was in Ogenkere's fundraising when somebody called and asked that question. And the person asked the question to CS. CS told them, be careful, there's nothing like that. If COS choose to do like Nigeria now, bring another egg, probably rotten one, and smash it on this white head, then this woman will now Oga is finished. Because the reason why egg and declaration is working very hard on her is because of the level of the lies. She's good at that. Only to drag COS family on social media is enough for egg to work perfectly. Is enough. That is why Chiamaka Jere, decided to deal with her. And she's yet to come out from what Chiamaka declared on her. Both this C of the C or C of the C, the same thing. Chiamaka Jere gogo no yamba na egwu gogo, na egwu gogo, Chiamaka no yamba na eme gogo, Chiamaka. After all those things, only small egg, agric egg for that matter, rotten one, send them out to Dunkin.com. Not like that, I mean, put them in very tight corner. They begin to misyan. And they're you were at the point. What she's saying against US, if US is as bad as Van, he will just pick probably native egg this time, so that it will just do the finishing. Because Chiamaka have done the job halfway. Do you understand? Let us hear from this our brother Triple M. Hello.